Cambridge, a picturesque and historic city nestled along the banks of the River Cam in Cambridgeshire, England, offers a wealth of attractions and activities for tourists from around the world to enjoy. This charming city is renowned for its prestigious university, which has been a beacon of intellectual excellence for centuries. Visitors can delve into its rich academic legacy by exploring the magnificent colleges that dot the cityscape, including the world-famous King's College, Trinity College, and St. John's College. The awe-inspiring architecture of these institutions, with their stunning chapels, beautiful courtyards, and lush gardens, provides a glimpse into the traditions and intellect that have shaped Cambridge's identity. Cambridge's scenic beauty extends beyond its academic institutions. The River Cam, which meanders through the heart of the city, offers the opportunity for a quintessential Cambridge experience, punting. Glide along the tranquil waters in a flat-bottomed boat while a knowledgeable guide regales you with tales of the city's history and landmarks. It's a serene and romantic way to see the city's iconic sights, such as the Mathematical Bridge and the Backs, the picturesque riverside gardens of the colleges. For those interested in history, a visit to the Fitzwilliam Museum is a must. This world-class institution houses a vast collection of art and artifacts from across the globe, spanning centuries of human creativity and innovation. The museum's diverse exhibits encompass everything from Egyptian mummies to European masterpieces, providing a fascinating journey through time and culture. Cambridge is not just a city of academia and history, it's also a vibrant hub of culture and innovation. The Cambridge Science Centre is an interactive, family-friendly attraction that engages visitors in hands-on exhibits and experiments, making science accessible and fun for all ages. Meanwhile, the Cambridge Junction offers a dynamic program of live music, theatre, and dance performances, showcasing both local talent and international acts. Nature enthusiasts can revel in the city's green spaces, including Parker's Piece, a historic common where the rules of modern football were first established. Midsummer Common and Jesus Green are perfect for picnics and leisurely strolls along the riverbanks. Moreover, the Cambridge University Botanic Garden is a horticultural haven, boasting a stunning array of plant species from around the world, all set within beautifully landscaped grounds. When it comes to culinary delights, Cambridge boasts a thriving food scene. From traditional British fare to international cuisines, the city offers an array of dining options to suit every palate. You can indulge in a classic afternoon tea at one of the charming tea rooms or savor gourmet dishes at award-winning restaurants scattered throughout the city. In conclusion, Cambridge is a city where history, academia, culture, and natural beauty converge to create a captivating destination. Whether you're exploring the hallowed halls of its colleges, punting on the River Cam, or immersing yourself in its cultural and culinary offerings, Cambridge promises an enriching and unforgettable experience for travelers of all interests and backgrounds. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, and where the pursuit of knowledge and the appreciation of beauty come together in perfect harmony.